Hi guys, it's Ray. I'm recording two Temu hauls back to back, and I don't know what order they'll go up in, but for this order, what I did was I gave myself a theme, and I of course went with turtle, and I allowed myself $25, and I picked out $25 worth of turtle related items. If you don't watch my other channel, that's Ray's Turquoise Turtle, so you know. So I just picked out some different things. I let myself spend $25. I did mess up though. Two of the items in here, they're not an exact duplicate, but I meant to take one out and I meant to put another set of the turtle stickers back into my order that kind of would have washed each other in that $25, but I messed up. So, and I do believe there's a metal sign in here, which I fully expect to be bent in some way, shape, or form, because I've not seen anybody open one of these orange bags with a metal sign in it that wasn't somewhat bent in some way, shape, or form. So I'm just going to get into it. I ordered, and I think I actually ordered 2 enamel pins. I don't have like a big enamel pin collection, but I do have a couple kicking around here. So I figured, why not just get a couple of little turtles? So that is the first item in here. And I didn't print myself off a price list, so I will try and put those up on the screen, but nothing was terribly expensive. This was just a little apron. You know, I figured a craft apron. It doesn't have any pockets or anything, no frills. I will probably actually not wear it. It will probably just hang on the wall with my other craft apron that I never wear. But it came up in my turtle search and I thought it was pretty. There were like 5 to pick from. It's not huge by any means. There were like 5 to pick from, and that was the one that was either like left in stock or whatever. So this is one of the items that was a duplicate. This is a multi-layered anklet, because it is getting to be summertime, and I do sometimes like to wear an anklet in the summer. So they're actually 3 separate anklets. I thought they were going to be one all attached, so that's actually kind of cool. Because this one I'm not really a huge fan of, the faux turquoise, but these 2 I think are cute. This one has a turtle on it, and then this one has like an ohm or something symbol on it. So that was just an anklet trio. This is a ring I ordered in a size 8. And this was probably like $1 something. I'll put it on the screen. But a couple years ago we went to Virginia for a week's vacation, and I spent a ton of money on like the Pura Vida jewelry at the one store that had it, and by the end of the week I was already starting to turn green, so I'm not terribly concerned about the quality of this stuff for $1 when stuff that I spent, like I think I got a turtle ring there that I spent like 20 something dollars on, and it tarnished, like I said, within a week. So I'm not overly concerned. This is just a little pendant. And I'm going to take it out of the package. I will probably not put it on a bracelet or a necklace and wear it. I don't know what I'll do with it. It's actually made to hang that way. The bail is there. So, but it's just a cute little turtle. Just not really the type of pendants I wear. And this is the other pin I ordered. This is a turtle, but he's got like kind of like a space themed shell, which I thought was extra cute. So that was why I ordered that one. And this is another piece of jewelry. This is more my style. I may wear it at some point. I always wear my same necklace. So if I'm going to wear something else, it's going to be with that. But this was just on a silver chain. It's got a, you know, faux piece of beach glass, a little turtle, and a little pearl. In a kind of aqua turquoise color. So just simple, cute. I can't get myself together today. Basic. So I did order a beach towel. I don't have high expectations for this. A lot of them, seeing people open in beach towels, they feel like blanket material, or they're the ones that don't really wick because they're slick to like repellent sand. And this does feel more blanket than towel, which is pretty much what everybody said. Although no, it is kind of more terry cloth on the inside, so. But I can always just use an extra towel for hair or whatever. So, and I think this was like $6. But I did want to order one just to see how they were. And it says it's 100% polyester, so it's not a super thick towel, but it would definitely work for a hair towel. So, not really a big deal there. Two more things. Let's do more things. Oh, see, this is the problem with ordering earrings from them. And it should be fine. I should be able to bend this back. But it's stud earrings. It's jammed in these bags. Had it been on the other side of this item, it would be fine. But the post is definitely bent on this. Whoops. So I will try to bend the post back. If it breaks when I try and bend it back, I'll report it and see how they want to refund it, because they are both definitely bent over. But just simple turtle stud earrings. And then this is the other anklet set. We'll see if this is 1 or 3. This is the one I meant to leave in the cart. I meant to take the other one out, I think, but I think I actually like the other one better. So, and this one's just a 2-part, actually. But this was like $1.07, and I think one of them I got a 30-cent credit for. So, but this was more my colors. So, the starfish beads on the one, and just the smaller beads on the other portion. And these do seem almost too big to be an anklet, but we'll find out. And actually, my metal sign is wrapped, so it might be okay. Interesting. It's actually on a piece of styrofoam, but it's just a thin tin sign. You see these all over the place. I mean, you can see signs like this at Ollie's for like $9. But this one just has the turtle, and it says, "And into the ocean I go to lose my mind and find my soul." So, one of my favorite sayings. But, and it's exactly the size I expected it to be. It's about an 8x10 if I had to guess. So yeah, really cute. And like I said, I gave myself a $25 budget. I think it came to $27 and change. I had a couple little price adjustments. So probably right around a little over that $25 mark. And I did mean to remove one of the bracelets or one of the anklets and substitute it for another pack of stickers, but I'm not out of stickers yet, so it's fine. So that is it for my little themed turtle haul. I'm going to come up with another theme, and we'll do something similar again with different items, but that is it for this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.